Hey and welcome to this new video of tutorial master Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to create a repository, and this time repository it's always called for GitHub or Git repository in here. So we have two ways: either we click on the plus button here and new repository, or we click on the new here. So let's click here on new. Let's give it a name, for example a website. Here it tells us description, but it's not mandatory, it's optional, so let's leave it empty. Here let's make it public, initialize with a readme file. Let's check on it. Here it tells us if we want to add Gitignore to our project. Gitignore we have already explained it. So let's give it a node. Where it is node? Here it is, node. And now the license, let's just say Apache license. So let's create a repository. And after that we hit create a repository and it will be created. And here as we see it's created with the license, it's Apache, the Gitignore and the readme file. And as we can see also, if we click in license, we will see the license of Apache 2 which we selected earlier. And here it's written. Here we can see the permission and also the limitation and some condition of the license. So that's be all for this video. See you in the next.